Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show Discord game activity on mobile. This is the new feature and I will be just tab on Discord and make sure you will have logged in, and you will be just move in your profile icon, which is bottom corner right, and I will be just get in, and again you will just tap on the top right corner of gear icon, and here you will see the data and privacy. So make sure you just tap on it simply, and here you will see the top three options. You will see use data to improve Discord, use data to personalize my Discord experience, and it will just allow us to use information such as who you talk and what games you play to personalize Discord for you. So these all of three, turn it on, make sure, and in this way you will just show the Discord game activity on mobile app. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.